Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here chlorobenzene is given and toluene and methylphenyl ketone. You have to arrange these compounds by the electrophilic substitution reaction. The electrophilic substitution reaction decided by the electron density. More the electron density, more will be the substitution here. Because more richness attract the electrophile easily. Here three different things, but before analyzing it you have to know the fact, the strength. The strength of mesomeric effect is higher than the inductive than the hybridization. Because mesomeric effect donates the full electron pair, so it will be more effective. If you look at the chlorine, it has mesomeric effect and it is minus inductive. Anyway, inductive is minor. Then the toluene. Toluene has only positive inductive effect. Methyl donate the electron. And you have methylphenyl ketone where CO is attached to benzene, which is sp2 character. The more S character, less electron density. So the ketone is the less electron density and methyl is a positive effect and mesomeric effect only by chlorine. So chlorine comes first, then toluene, then the acetophenone. Here the concept you have to learn here is the strength of mesomeric effect is higher than the any other effect. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching.